Hello and welcome to Advanced Learning Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the sorting option using multi-sort option. So first of all, you have to select the data, or your cursor should be in any cell containing the data. If you want to select the data, first of all, select the top row. Then from the keyboard, press the Ctrl Shift and arrow key down. It will select the entire data completely. Then go to the tab, the data tab. Then from there, select the sort option. So I want to sort in three different level. The first sorting option should be by location, and the next sorting level should be by the department, and I want to add one more level in sorting option. So from here you can add the level and choose by which row or by which column it should be sorted. Then from here I want to sort by the first name. So but basically what does it mean is that first of all you sort by location A, B, C, D, or location 1, 2, 3, and inside that one location how many departments are there. They should be sorted from A to Z, and inside the department the first name should be sorted from A to Z. So it will do exactly the same thing. As you can see, first of all it's sorted from by location, building 1, and then by department 80, from A to Z, and inside each department 80, then the first name are sorted C, E, F, G, H, and so on.